Episode 1, Set Yourself Up for Success. Welcome to From $1 by Interac, where we share quick tips for entrepreneurs. You're listening to Chapter 4, Set Up and Scale Up. In other words, how to turn your aspirations into actions. Let's be real. When you start a business, you're not just the founder and CEO. You're probably also the accountant, the marketer, maybe the caterer, and everything in between. That's why entrepreneurs need a simple guide to getting a business off the ground. From the first essential steps, to making a 5-year plan, to the path to selling and scaling. Ready to get started? The tips I'm going to share are specific to entrepreneurs starting a business in Canada. If you're outside of Canada, take these tips and see how they may apply to your specific city or country. Don't worry, you don't need to take notes. There's a free downloadable version of this list in the show notes to help you get started. Or check out Chapter 4, Startup and Scale Up at interac.ca/$1. Remember, these are only tips. Be sure to consult with legal, financial, and other experts for information that's specific to your business and the provinces you're operating in. Okay, step 1. You will need to register your business so it's recognized as, a business. The Government of Canada's website will guide you through the process. And remember, if you're a one-person show, the easiest and fastest option is to register as a sole proprietorship. Step 2. Time to get set up to collect sales tax and remit the funds to the government. As part of the registration process we just discussed in Step 1, you'll be issued a business number you can then use to register for GST/HST remittances. A few important things to note. As of the date of recording, sales tax payments are voluntary for businesses that earn under $30,000 over 4 consecutive calendar quarters. Also, there might be province-specific taxes to consider, so make sure to check. Collecting and remitting sales taxes may sound daunting, but it's actually pretty easy once you get into the routine. Just don't forget to add sales tax to your invoices. And remember, many government services, such as the Canada Revenue Agency, let you use Interac sign-in service to help make signing in to use their services more convenient. That way, you don't need to remember a different username and password for each site. Next, Step 3. Depending on what kind of business you're starting and what province or territory you're working in, you may need to have 1 or more licenses to run your business. There are handy websites like one called BizPal, we've linked it in the show notes, that can help you figure out what permits and licenses you may need. Step 4. We've already established that you're probably acting as your own accountant, so you'll need to make sure you're set up to manage all that money. Consider opening a separate bank account for your business to deposit your earnings and pay out your expenses. Having separate business accounts makes it easier to get an accurate picture of cash flow, track your expenditures, and confirm amounts during tax time. If you handle your Interac e-transfer transactions through your business account, you'll have the info in one place, making it easier to stay organized and keep track of your payments. Your business is ready to go. Now for Step 5, bringing in the money. If your business takes you on the road, to markets, festivals, or clients' homes, consider tap-enabled solutions like Tap to Pay on iPhone or Tap to Pay on Android. Besides a Canadian bank account, all you'll need is an eligible smartphone and supported payment app. If you're processing larger sales, a small card reader that connects to your phone or tablet will allow you to accept payments that are over the tap limit. And don't forget the power of Interac e-transfer. It's perfect for larger purchases or when customers don't have their cards handy. Money moves directly into your account, speeding up your cash flow. So whether it's a quick tap, a card insert, or an Interac e-transfer, make it easy for your customers to say yes with a variety of payment options. Thanks for listening. If you'd like more business tips sent straight to your inbox, be sure to sign up for our newsletter at interac.ca/$1. Coming up next, we'll be talking about how and why to create a 5-year plan.